The situation with Shiba Inu has just gone insane. We've now hit a make or break point. People are scared to move their tokens. And to make it worse, Elon Musk just made something super unexpected. The Shiba Inu dev team is furious. Coinbase tries to calm the panic and sends a promising signal that might save us all. But what is actually happening? And why is today so important? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Today's an interesting day for Shiba Inu. The popular meme coin just hit a major milestone in India, making waves by becoming one of the most traded cryptocurrencies of the year. In fact, it's even surpassed Bitcoin in terms of trading volume. Kashif Raza, the founder of Bitcoin, a Bitcoin education platform, highlighted this impressive achievement in a recent post on X, giving us a glimpse into the crypto scene in India for 2024. While Raza initially suggested that the data covered India's entire crypto landscape, it turns out that the stats specifically reflect activity on CoinSwitch, a popular exchange in India. On CoinSwitch, Shiba Inu has taken the lead as the most traded coin, with around 9% of users, roughly 1.8 million people, jumping on the Shiba Inu bandwagon this year. Pretty amazing numbers for Shiba Inu. However, while Shiba Inu's recent achievements are exciting, the market situation isn't looking too great right now. On the daily chart, there's a developing double bottom pattern, which could signal a potential reversal in the price trend. At the moment, Shiba Inu is hovering around a relatively stable price, showing signs of consolidation. However, it's not all smooth sailing yet. Shiba Inu is testing some crucial support levels, and if it doesn't hold up, we could see it dip further, with a possible test of even lower support levels. If the price fails to maintain its current range, it could undermine the hopeful bullish setup, pointing to even more weakness ahead. So what's going on with Shiba Inu? Why isn't it just bouncing back and growing in price every day like it used to? Well, things just got even more complicated for Shiba Inu. We've already seen multiple market crashes recently, and just a couple of hours ago, Elon Musk dropped a huge update that made everything worse for Shiba Inu. Musk has just announced that he's planning to completely overhaul the X platform's content strategy, with a big focus on reputation. Musk revealed that X's new AI-powered algorithm will now take into account how many people like a post versus how many block or mute the account. In simple terms, if an account gets blocked a lot, it will have a much more limited reach, which could really affect its influence. Since Musk took over, there have been several changes to improve the overall user experience, and this reputation-based ranking is just the latest one. The good news is that it won't affect older events, as Musk clarified in a follow-up post. At first, Elon Musk's new update might not seem like it has much to do with Shiba Inu, right? I mean, why should a change on X affect Shiba Inu? Well, I get why you might be confused. It wouldn't really matter until, of course, Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu team, had a strong reaction to it. She replied to a post about the update, saying it was dumb because it punishes people for getting blocked, even if they're just sharing unpopular opinions. She pointed out that it assumes credible accounts are always right, which isn't the case, and that it encourages safe, bland content instead of real, honest conversations. According to her, this update could create echo chambers and goes against the whole idea of free speech. And this is a pretty big deal for Shiba Inu, especially given the current market situation. Right now, Shiba Inu is at a critical point, with price stability in question and the community closely watching for signs of recovery. The Shiba Inu team depends on platforms like X to keep their supporters updated, share news, and build momentum. So, with Elon Musk's new update, the outreach for Shiba Inu's posts could be severely limited. If the team's messages don't reach the right people, whether it's investors, potential buyers, or just the community, it becomes much harder to maintain interest and support during a time when Shiba Inu really needs it. This isn't just a small hiccup. It could impact the visibility of everything from price updates to important announcements, making it even harder for Shiba Inu to make the recovery it desperately needs. And with the market already being tough for Shiba Inu, having their updates buried in the algorithm could make everything even worse. Speaking of worse, looking at the bigger picture, Bitcoin is also at a critical point right now. Bitcoin's price has been stuck in a bearish slump, with it recently dipping back to the 95,000 support level. The big question now is whether it'll fall further. This has caused a lot of turbulence in the market, with a huge $230 million worth of liquidations happening recently. Long position traders took a massive hit, losing nearly $181 million. Bitcoin's performance is always closely watched by the entire crypto market, including Shiba Inu. When Bitcoin struggles like this, it often drags the entire market down with it. Investors get nervous, and this affects the prices of altcoins like Shiba Inu. If Bitcoin stays stuck in this bearish trend or faces further declines, Shiba Inu could see even more downward pressure, making it harder for the price to recover. The overall market sentiment impacts Shiba Inu's ability to break out of its current struggles, and right now, things aren't looking too great for either Bitcoin or Shiba Inu. So, everything is connected, and Bitcoin's woes really do make sense in the context of Shiba Inu's current price struggles. But why is this happening to all the cryptos? Why is it all bearish and scary? Well, here's the deal. Bitcoin is facing something massive tomorrow, a record-breaking options expiry. If you're wondering what that means, think of it like this. An options expiry is when certain financial bets on Bitcoin either pay off or disappear. And this one is the largest expiry ever, with a staggering $15 billion on the line. Here's why this is scary. When so much money is riding on one event, it can create chaos in the market. Prices could swing wildly depending on how those bets play out, and no one knows for sure what's coming. It's like a ticking time bomb for Bitcoin and the broader crypto market. And with the holiday season already slowing trading down, the market feels even shakier. For smaller coins like Shiba Inu, that uncertainty means any hopes of a recovery will take even longer. Everyone's bracing for impact. But wait, despite all the tough news stacking up, there's still hope for Shiba Inu. Coinbase recently gave a very promising signal that could change the tide. Whales or big investors are making some serious moves right now. Just recently, an Ethereum whale surprised everyone by making a huge transfer on Coinbase. This whale moved nearly 6,700 Ethereum, worth over $22 million, from Coinbase to Coinbase Institutional. So, what does this mean? Well, it's a pretty bullish signal for the market. Coinbase Institutional is a platform designed for institutional investors, offering services like over-the-counter trades and secure storage. These investors typically make smart, calculated moves based on solid research. This transfer could indicate that the whale is holding for the long term, possibly waiting for a future rally. If that's the case, it could really help boost the market. If big players are confident, it can create a ripple effect that helps boost altcoins like Shiba Inu too. If this move by the whale is about securing Ethereum for the long haul, it could trigger a positive market shift that might give Shiba Inu a much-needed boost. This kind of activity gets the attention of traders and could help shape the future price outlook for Shiba Inu, especially with everything else going on right now. And let's not forget something important. The altcoin season hasn't even started yet. There's been a lot of talk lately about the altcoin rally being over. But one Twitter user recently put it perfectly. They shared some charts pointing out that while many people are saying the altcoin season is done, in reality, it hasn't even kicked off yet. It suggests that there's still potential for a shift in the market, and altcoins like Shiba Inu could see some strong moves once the season actually begins. Even though things look rough right now, the start of altcoin season could bring new opportunities, especially if Bitcoin's struggles calm down and investors start shifting their attention to altcoins. For Shiba Inu, this could be a major chance to recover and possibly see some price growth. The market's not done yet. And if this altcoin season really is just getting started, there could be a lot more upside for Shiba Inu than people realize. So all these challenges are just bumps on the road. The signal from Coinbase today could be hinting at the start of the upcoming altcoin season, and that's why people are still holding on to their excitement. It's all setting up for something big. Anyway, tomorrow's the big day, so we'll find out where things are headed. Let's see what happens. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.